Let's see how to edit an NPS survey. And let's take the pre-delivery. We're going to click on the crayon, which is the edit button. Into questions, you will see by default, this is a very basic survey. Please make sure you're not changing the order of the hidden NPS invitation unique question and the NPS question. Those should remain in the first and second position, but you can definitely add more questions afterwards. And we're going to add 2 more questions in this example. We're going to add a question for detractors, and we're going to add a question for promoters. And we're going to keep this one for passives. So adding a new question, we're going to say, we're sorry your experience wasn't the best. How can we do better in the future? We're going to select a large text answer. What's going to happen here is we're going to want our customers to exit the survey after this question. So we're going to go to Advanced Settings, Logic Branching, and we're going to click on Go to End Screen. We're going to save. Adding a new question. We're happy you had an amazing experience. What did you like best? We're going to select again large text answer, advanced settings, go to end screen and save. Now going into the NPS question, we're going to edit this and we're going to select for questions for scores from 0 to 6. As a follow-up question, we're sorry your experience wasn't the best. For passives, we're going to keep how can we improve in the future. And for promoters, we're happy you had an amazing experience. What did you like best? And we're going to save this. Now there's one more question that we need to edit and be really careful, and that's how can we improve in the future. We need to make sure any customer that reaches this question would not go further to any other. So we're going to go to Advanced Settings and we're going to select Go to End Screen after answering this question, and we're going to save. Now remember, you can add as many questions as you'd like, but the only thing to keep in mind is that Reveal cannot import multiple choices, images, drop-down, or grid type of questions. So your choices should be between small text answer, large text answer, unique choice, scale. Please don't add another Net Promoter Score question, as these surveys will not be, the results will not be imported into Reveal. Okay, everything is set now. You can still have a look at the appearance and maybe play around with the style of your survey. You will have a preview in here, so you can see how everything looks. And when the customer is actually on the website, they will not be seeing this hidden question. This is just a preview here for you to see how the survey looks and feels. And you can play around with more styles, with button styles. You can look at mobile behavior and so on. Once you're happy with everything, you can just save and update, and your pre-delivery NPS is ready to go.